Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Flutter from scratch. So basically we have a newly built Windows 10 machine here, and there were no softwares related to Flutter were installed on top of this machine. So if you have not got Flutter installed on your machine, then this is something what you should follow. So I'll be going to the browser and heading to the Flutter documentation. Click on get started, select your operating system, scroll down and get the Flutter SDK. Just click over here and then save the file. It will take a moment for download to be finished. Well, the file is downloaded now. So just right click on the file, go to show folder, and you can see this is a compressed file. So just extract it. It's done now. Now go to C drive, create a folder called src, and then copy the Flutter folder or into the src. Okay, so here we are copying the extracted folder to this src. The folder is copied now. Open this folder now. Open Flutter Console.bat file. And then try running Doctor. This will actually show you what are the components that were installed and what are the components that were not installed. Okay, as you can see in the output that Android toolchain developed for Android devices is missing. Unable to locate Android SDK, installed Android Studio from some link it has given, and then Android Studio is not installed. Okay, there were no connected devices. This is the last thing you can actually ignore, but rest of the things you need to ensure they are fixed. So now go back to the documentation from where you can get the Android Studio link. So install Android Studio. Okay, I'm just clicking over here. Click on the download Android Studio button, accept the terms and conditions. Click on the download Android Studio button. It will start the download. Click on the save button now and wait for the download to be finished. Android Studio has finished downloading. Now run the file. Click next. Next. Okay, I'm not changing any paths over here. Install. Wait for the installation to be finished. Installation is finished now. Okay, make sure start Android Studio is checked and click on finish. Okay, I'm setting do not import settings because there is no previous versions of Android Studio were installed. Okay, don't send. Click next. Standard. Okay, I'm selecting a dark mode here. So it is saying that it wants to download something. Click finish, and you can see that Android Studio has started downloading something, and wait for the download to finish now. Downloaded now. Click on finish. Minimize this window for now. Now head back to Flutter again. Open Flutter Console and run Flutter Doctor again. Okay, now we have a slightly different image than before. So Android toolchain is there, but Android licenses are not accepted. So in order to resolve this, run this command. So whenever it asks for to accept, click on Y, enter, Y, enter, Y, enter. So that's done. Run Flutter Doctor again. Now you can see that for Android Studio it is saying Flutter plugin not installed and Dart plugin are not installed. So for that, go to Android Studio, click on the configure, go to plugins, search for Flutter, click on install, accept. Okay, it's saying this plugin wants a Dart to be installed as well. Click on yes, so that you don't need to install Dart plugin separately. Wait for the installation to finish. And then click OK. Restart Android Studio to activate changes in plugin. Click on restart. In the meantime, go back to Flutter Console again, run Flutter Doctor again. And now you could see that all the error messages are gone and there are no connected devices. As you connect your device, it will become green as well, but instead of that you can also use emulator that comes with Android Studio. Okay, so minimize this window and go to the Android Studio. You could see start a new Flutter project option over here. So if in order to create a new project, just click on new Flutter project, new Flutter application. Okay, Flutter SDK path is not given. Okay, just select it, click on next, click on finish. You can see that default app is created now. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more Flutter updates. Thank you so much. Bye.